In this video, we will look at one of the common problems that is encountered when shipping a part inside of FloorVisio. Depending on the first article inspection report settings that are in video ST004. Sometimes these settings can prevent a part from shipping if the first article inspection report has not been set as complete. So in this example, we will see that in our system settings we want to have fares in place because no fares is unchecked, and we're going to require a fare every single shipment because new fares only is also not checked. So now when I go to this part of sample customer, sample fabricated part, I see this order that's ready to ship. So we will click on orders, scan into a work order. We will scan the barcode in the upper right. We will click on shipping, because we want to ship this part. And we will type in the quantity we are shipping. And when I save the order, we will notice that I have an error across the top that says a fare is required before we can ship this part. So if we go back and look at the part, we'll notice here in the quality section. If you have the correct permissions, you will see this green thumbs up and you can click on this icon setting that a first article inspection report has been required. It's important that you do not just click on the green thumbs up, but that you check that the part meets all of the customer requirements so that you ensure that all of the processes that have been defined for the engineering master, material types, and things of that nature are all correct. So once a quality person has determined that all of the processes are correct and the part does in fact meet the customer requirements, they can sign off that a first article inspection report has been done. They can do that by clicking this green thumbs up icon. We will see now it says a fare has been approved. This also can be done when looking at the part record and clicking on quality and add approved fare. This adds that the first article inspection report has been approved. Now when we scan the work order and we choose shipping, we put the quantity shipping and click save order. We will see that the order is in fact shipped, one piece shipped, and that our packing slip is ready to be printed. Here it is. And so that's one of the common errors that is encountered when shipping parts, and it is dependent upon what your first article inspection report settings are. And you can refer to video ST004 for more information on fare setup.